Hello to everybody, our dear subscribers, our dear readers. Future Trend channel is ready to present you the technical information about how to trade some of the major pairs in the world financial markets, and this kind of information, which is mostly based on technical analysis, presented us by the company FutureTrendResearch. Today we will discuss the situation regarding Euro-Ruble, Dollar-Ruble, Euro-Swiss and Australian dollar. So, as regarding the Dollar-Ruble and Euro-Ruble, let's start from the Dollar-Ruble. The situation with the Dollar-Ruble at the moment confirmed a negative closing last night, as you could see after a further session of consolidation into the inside day with 68.10, 66.50, the levels to follow in the coming hours for the Dollar-Ruble. The peso is also still below the 55 as well as 100 days lines that are crossing. By the way, the 55 is still above the 100. However, while below this line, we favor an extension of the decline to the 200 days line, now found at 64.97 roughly. The indicators of the daily chart are still well negative for now, but could be forming a small double bottom in case of a positive closing tonight, supporting a rebound. The indicators of the short-term charts are instead still showing a mixed picture, suggesting further consolidation correction. Yesterday's pressure failed to form a new low, not even on an hourly closing. However, only break above 67.31 will confirm a short-term bottom, supporting a decent rebound, and we believe to be close to one at the moment. As regarding the strategy, Future Trend Research prefers to stay on the sign line at the moment in this type of currency. Resistances 67.31 mentioned above and 68, with supports 66.59.5 and 66.43.5. Now some words about the Euro-Ruble. Euro-Ruble confirmed a positive closing even above the 100 days line, that at the moment located at 76.92, supporting a rebound to the 78 area, even if the closing was not above 76.96. At the moment you could see that Euro really is looking really very strong, and as well as against some other pairs. As regarding the Euro-Ruble, the indicators of the daily chart here are however still below the line for now, but recovering. The indicators of the short-term charts are instead all positive this morning, supporting further strength. However, in the hourly chart we have already potential negative reversals, but Future Trend Research believes there is more room on the upside to extend the corrective move up, with the 200 hours line at 78.032 the possible attraction. Future Trend Research prefers to wait for a possible extension of the rebound before selling the Euro-Swiss. At the moment, resistances and supports you could see on your charts. Now some words about the Euro-Swiss as well as Australian dollar. Euro-Swiss. At the moment, resistances in this pair located at 112.65, 113, with supports at 112.10, 111.80. Now some words about the technical research in this type of currency. The Euro-Swiss formed a positive outside day with the test of the 21 days line at 112.66, where it found again good resistance. Overall, Future Trend Research still suggests that the pair is still interior the inside day, with 112.90, 111.70 still the levels to follow in the coming hours. While below the 21 days line, the risks remain on the downside. The indicators of the daily chart are however still below the line for now, and still below the short-term as well as medium-term trend line. The indicators of the short-term charts are instead all above the line this morning, suggesting further consolidation correction. Yesterday's rally above 112.60 formed bearish divergences, however below the 60% level. Nevertheless, Future Trend Research expects another possible test on the upside and prefer to stay on the sideline at the moment. And some words about the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar confirmed a strong closing just below the 55 100 days lines found today at 0.7180, 0.7185, where the pair still found a good short-term resistance on closing. But this morning the pair is trying to extend the move up above 72 with the 200 days line at 73.34 presents a possible attraction for short-term traders. Indicators of the daily chart are still above the line for now, as well as those of the short-term chart supporting a possible direct overshooting. Bearish divergences are still confirming a positive tone, and this should support higher levels. A possible return toward the 200 hours line at 70.76 will be a short-term buying opportunity. 71.95, 72.50 are resistances at the moment for the Aussie dollar. Supports 71.45, 70.60. Future Trend Research was glad to present you its point of view how to trade major currencies in the current environment. We will be back to you in the Russian-speaking channel tomorrow the same time. Take care and bye-bye for now.